8:43 your time, and this morning we're heading out to the Learning Lab at the Arizona Science Center.
I always love going out there. They have a very interactive activity where people can look through microscopes, analyze x-rays, and more. We're speaking with Annie this morning. Annie, we miss you back here, but good to see you. Tell us a little bit about this exhibit.
Well, I'm so excited to show you our brand new Learning Lab. We just opened it in December, and this is a space for kids and adults to do actual science in person. So as you said, we have microscopes, we have a couple different experiments, but everyone is welcome to put on their own lab coat and dress for the role because we are doing actual science here. We have our x-ray scanners, we have our microscopes, and right now we are exploring all about sound waves. So I'm gonna show you a quick little thing. So sound waves are just vibrations, which can be shown with our tuning fork. You can see it vibrating, and then you can actually make those sounds jump.
Oh, that was cool.
But it's a lot of fun. All of this is very hands-on science, so kids really like to, they love to dress up. They love to dress up like a scientist, and they love to just experiment and see and put their hands and actually do the science. That's what they love the most about it. So
you're also
this has
very
been a
trusting
big
of
hit.
kids there with the tuning fork. I'm just thinking about my 6-year-old. You're going to have a dent into that table and a broken tuning fork. He's going to be whacking into it.
I mean, these are pretty durable, but you can definitely see that they have been well loved. But this is included in general admission, so if you come into the Science Center, you can absolutely get your hands into the science with our sound science this month. And each month, it's a new activity going on.
Okay. Makes a nice little noise, too. Nice little ding.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Yeah, you talked about the x-rays. That's kind of cool too, and even for the adults to learn more about that.
Oh yeah, we've got x-rays, we've got samples, skulls, and bone parts. Again, also have been very well loved. This has been a very popular exhibit. So our skeleton is not looking so great anymore.
Well, you got to hand it to him. He's been through a lot.
But we have opportunities for kids to make observations, identify bones, as well as while kids are using microscopes, they can do the science and document what they see, just like an actual scientist. So there's my fly head for you that I've been working on. But this is included in general admission, and if you ever want to learn more, you can always go to azscience.org and try out some science for yourself.
Wow.
You're talented.
Yeah, kids will be spending hours in there, I can already tell.
What was the water jug thing over there?
The water one? Are you talking about this guy?
Yeah.
This one is probably my favorite. So this is actually
you just
very
wash your
similar
hands.
to how you wash your hands, and then if you do it right, you will actually see the vibrations jumping the water.
Oh, yeah.
So it starts to actually generate vibrations and waves, which generate a sound. It's very similar to like a cello or a violin.
I was going to say it sounds very annoying, so I think kids will love that. They will love it.
Oh yeah, kids, they go crazy and they're just like, ah! But it takes a very special touch to get it going. Oh, wow. And it's a lot of fun.
Cormac, it's time to go now. Come on, Cormac.
Learning Lab is going to see a lot for sure. A lot of memories will be made in there.
That's awesome. All right, appreciate you, Annie. Thank you for talking to us this morning.
Thank you, Annie.